Hello, hi, and welcome you all to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani Dishes. And today we will be seeing how to prepare Dhavae humman. And as you all know, Dhavae humman is another delicacy among GSB Konkani dishes, and it is one of the dishes that is prepared during Upanayanam, wedding, festival seasons, for vratas as well as for Ekadashis. The traditional method uses bitter gourd, colocasia roots, long beans, star fruit for the preparation of the dish. Other than these vegetables, we also take jackfruit seeds, potato and raw mango. Raw mango is used instead of star fruit or kernel. If you don't have star fruit, you can even use bilimbi or even raw mangoes. Okay. Now, unlike Valval, we season this dish. Usually, a Konkani feast for a wedding or Upanayanam will include seeth, that is raw rice, dali toy, gashi, papad, adgai or tiksani humman, ukkari or sukke, and Valval or Dhavae humman is served. If you prepare Valval, then Dhavae humman is not prepared. But either one of them is must and necessary for the feast. Now, Dhavae humman is prepared for vratas and ekadashis, as this is a non-spicy dish, and since nobody usually take a spicy dish during these days, that is during your vratas. Now, preparation of the dish. So, ingredients. You need half cup cubed colocasia roots. You can either cube them, or as I have cut it into long pieces. You can even make long pieces. The colocasia roots that I have used is Soppur Mande in Konkani, not the big one, the small one. Small colocasia roots, those are the ones that I have used. Half cup thinly cut bitter gourd, half cup cut long beans, one star fruit, or even you can use bilimbi also. Or if you are using raw mango, you can even use raw mango. 2 to 3 green chilies or as per your spiciness level. 1/4 cup of sour curd. Sour buttermilk also will do. 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut gratings for extraction of coconut milk. So raw coconut is preferred for this extraction of coconut milk. I have not explained how you extract coconut milk. You can even get it in small sachets nowadays, and then you can instantly mix it and prepare coconut milk, or else if you know coconut how to prepare or extract coconut milk from coconut, that would be much better. Then salt to taste. For seasoning you need oil, mustard, jeera and curry leaves. So peel, wash and chop the vegetables. Colocasia roots cut into long pieces, or as I told, you can even make cubes out of it. Bitter gourd cut into thin slices. Cut the long beans, slit the green chilies, remove the ridges of the star fruit and cut it into pieces if you are using star fruit, or else if you are using bilimbi, then cut it into thin long pieces. Then mangoes also can be used instead of star fruit or bilimbi. The colocasia root, bitter gourd, long beans should be in equal proportion after cutting. Once done, transfer everything to the separator of a pressure cooker, and after one whistle, simmer and keep for 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, switch off the flame. Open the lid of the pressure cooker when it cools down. You can even boil the vegetables on stove. If you want to boil the vegetables on stove, then do so in third coconut milk, adding little water. Salt you have to add in the end, or else the coconut milk will curdle fast if you add salt in the beginning. Now transfer the cooked vegetables into another vessel and add third coconut milk. Let it boil on medium flame in the third coconut milk. Now add the second coconut milk and once this is boiled, add the first. After adding the first coconut milk, simmer the flame to low. Once you see small bubbles appearing from the sides, then you have to switch off the flame. Now add 1/4 cup of whisked sour curd and salt. Whisked or else you can even, if you don't have a whisk for whisking the curd, you can even give the curd a single turn in your mixie. This is to remove any lumps from the curd. Mix well. Then add asafoetida or hing. Then do the seasoning. Now these are the ingredients that are needed for seasoning. As I have already mentioned, it is mustard, jeera and curry leaves. Heat oil in a kadai or pan and add the mustard seeds. When they splutter, add the cumin or jeera followed by curry leaves. Pour the seasoning over over the Dhavae humman and mix well. And is ready to be served as a side dish along with rice and dalit oil. Thank you for watching my channel and let me know how it tasted in my comments once you prepare the dish. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.